What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the Aeserion Gear Blueprint in Crimson Desert. Just a heads up, you need to have the focused force palm ability, which you'll unlock around chapter 4 of the main questline. If you want a set of craftable weapons that are strong and decent, then you need to pick this blueprint up. From a high damage sword to a cool looking bow. You'll find the crafting book to the southwest of Delesia and Dewhaven on this island right here. Zoom in and it's at this waypoint below the Serpent Shrine. When you're at the Serpent Shrine Island, head to the south of it until you find this structure behind it. Now just carefully glide down until you find a shimmering rock blocking the tunnel entrance. Just approach the rock, enter focus mode, hold the middle mouse to do a focused force bomb, and release it on the gold orb that appears. After the rock disintegrates, you'll find the chest inside. Just open it up and you'll get the blueprint. Make sure to read each page to unlock the most out of it. Then go to your favorite smithy to check your newly unlocked arsenal of craftable gear. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.